Hey, high levelers. High Level's come out with a special thing regarding voice AI again, a new feature they've just hooked up to make it even easier for you to create your own unique, distinct voice AI agent. So now you actually have an AI agent that will help you create your AI agents. How freaking cool is that? So right now I want to sit back and show it to you, show you how it works and so forth. So let's hop into it. Let me show you this awesome new feature. So here we are in our demo account. Now, here's one of the caveats for this, and I wish it wasn't this way, but it is. This new cool feature is only available when you have no voice AI agents created. So it's an intro step. It's, hey, you don't know how to manually create it, how to create it, or anything like that. So all you're going to do is just simply talk to the agent and tell it what you want, and then it'll configure all of that stuff for you, which is pretty awesome. So right now, to do this, we're going to go into voice AI agents. We're going to come over here to voice AI. And here's this new beautiful screen that you get. Look at this, all like a little globe. It's pretty dang cool that you can sit back and do all this kind of stuff here. So that's pretty awesome. Anyway, so one of the things we could do here is we're going to click on this. Notice that it pulls your company name and it just says, this is the Digi AI assistant. Now, it is weird because I don't think they quite have this set up right. It will help you create voice AI agents, but it doesn't seem to be that way when you first look at it, which I think is going to be confusing for people who don't watch a video like this that can help them understand how to use it. So this is where I was playing with this, and it is fun and cool. So hopefully you'll be able to hear this, but let's go ahead and just see what it's like first of all. And then I want to show you, once we go through it, how to actually use it to create a voice AI agent. So let's go ahead and click on it and see what happens here. Connecting.
Hey there, welcome to Digi Global Agency. I'm your AI assistant. I can book appointments, answer questions, and take down details. What would you like to try?
What services do you have?
Sure, Digi Global Agency offers a range of digital solutions, things like marketing strategy, branding, web development, and digital advertising. If you want, I can help you book a session to chat with one of our experts or answer questions about our process. What are you most interested in?
Never mind. Thank you.
No problem at all. Have a great day.
So right there, it's just, do you see what I'm saying? When you engage it, it's not very friendly. It's not, hey, what are you looking for to help build a voice AI agent? It's like the agent already and your customer talking to the agent like it wants to book an appointment. I thought that was just not the best here, but you can use this to create a voice AI agent. So let's go ahead and ignore what it says and just ask it to do what we want it to do. Okay. So let's just go ahead and do that. Let's try this again here.
Hey there, welcome to Digi Global Agency. I'm your AI assistant. I can book appointments, answer questions, and take down details. What would you like to try?
Hello, I want you to create me a voice AI agent for my digital service business for the purposes of gathering lead information, possibly booking appointments if people are interested in our services, and simply responding to everybody that calls us.
Absolutely, I can help set that up for you. I'll create your agent so it collects caller name, email, and address on every call. It'll also respond to everyone who calls in. Since you mentioned booking appointments, I see you have calendars available. Would you like me to add appointment booking to your agent as well?
Absolutely.
Great, I'll set it up with appointment booking. I'll use your first available calendar for now. You can always switch it later from the agent settings. Should callers be able to ask to speak with a real person, like a human handoff? If so, what number should those calls go to? Please include the country code.
Sure. Let's just do this. Country code +1 212 555 9090.
All right, just to confirm, the transfer number is +1 212 555 9090. Sound good? And is there anything else you'd like, or should I go ahead and create your agent now?
No, I would like you to give me a list of the calendars. I want you to put the right calendar in there. So which calendars do you see?
Sure thing. Here are the calendars I see for your account. 1. MacBook Training 2. Digi Newborn Session 3. Rock Concert 4. Book Audit Results Call 5. Demo AI Calendar. Which one would you like me to use for appointment booking?
Definitely the demo AI calendar, please.
Setting that up for you right now. Done. Your agent is ready to go. You'll find it on your voice AI agent listing after this call. Just so you know, this is a starting point. You can go into the agent details and tweak everything. The personality, responses, actions, and more. There's a ton you can configure, like knowledge bases, workflows, custom integrations, voice selection, and advanced routing. It's all in the agent details.
Awesome. Thank you.
Awesome. Have a great day.
So now that you've seen that, that could be better. There were some things that it kept rushing that I wish it would inquire more on, like how Ask AI, really, if you ask it to do something, it should go through and ask you a bunch of other leading questions to completely populate or to fill out as much as it can regarding the voice AI agent. So I did find that a little disappointing, but overall, it's their first attempt at having an AI agent help you set up your voice AI agent in case you just really do not know what you're doing something like that. So right now, if we do hop into it, we'll notice that it did create an agent. I guess it just gives it a default name. It didn't ask me what we want to call it or anything like that. So one of the things I do know, again, you can come in here and set everything up, but let's go to the agent goals, because this is where what we talked about really starts coming into play. Now, notice anytime you do appointment bookings, that's never a basic voice AI setup. And anytime you do call transfers, all of these are advanced settings. So right now, one of the things I do want to point out is here, they did switch from basic mode to advanced mode. So they did that automatically for you. And they came down here and set up all of your actions. So if we take a look here, notice that some of these, and you might be able to do this yourself. It might not be a big deal, but for somebody that doesn't know how to set up these things or to even ask the right questions, this right here, transfer to human. If we were to just simply click on this and go to edit, this right here is something that happens if you're dealing with voice AI. Somebody might say something like, if the caller explicitly asks to speak to a real person, a manager, or a human representative, or if it cannot be solved the request, transfer the call. So it asks for the phone number. Of course, it's a fake number, 212 number. That's the kind of stuff in the movies. But this right here is just what is set up for you automatically. And it's pretty cool. In case you don't know how to do this, it would do it for you itself. Notice here on the calendar, it did use the demo AI calendar that I requested. And for that, and then it's collecting the name, email, address, and things like that. So it doesn't need to collect the phone number because it just automatically assumes the phone number they're calling in from is the phone number they're going to use in the account. So you see, at least it's a good first attempt for this. But here's one of the things that I wish they would have done, and that is be able to create that same type of thing like on the main screen, not just have it for the very first intro, but every time you have an AI agent, if you even have one of them in here, then it doesn't show that screen, allows you to build it. So you can have as many voice AI agents as you want, especially if you're using the unlimited AI employee with this. You can have as many as you like. And by the way, guys, if you're learning something from this, smash that like button here. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. There's a ton of great stuff on my channel, and I appreciate you watching. So you see, it's a first grade approach, but again, I wish they would keep that in there so you could use it to build more and more agents and not have to manually create the second agent, the third agent, the fourth agent, the fifth agent if you wanted to. Because keep in mind, you can have agents on every phone number that you have inside of HighLevel. You just don't need one voice AI agent with the main phone line. That's cool if that's what you want, but you can sit back and if you have 5 salespeople and each of your salespeople have 5 phone numbers, there's no reason why you can't have 5 voice AI agents on each one of those numbers specifically configured for each salesperson. Does that make sense? So you can that's pretty cool. But right now you'd have to manually configure those because in order to get this thing back, meaning in order to get that little wizard back, we have to come in here, delete this guy. And then when we delete this guy, now we get the new main screen back. I wish there was a button or something that they created in here that allows you to say, okay, let me set up another voice AI agent. Let me click on this and get the same experience. But I didn't see one here. And again, this is such a new feature that I'm sure they're going to keep improving on it. But I wanted to let you know, the people that watch my YouTube channel, how this new feature works. And again, it's a bit clunky with you're not quite sure what to expect, but you do have to tell it to create a voice AI agent. And then it starts asking you questions. I really wish it would say that from the very beginning. Hello, this is DigiGlobal AI Assistant. I'm here to help you set up your voice AI agent. How would you like to get it set up here? And just something like that. At least it's a little bit more intuitive that when you click on it, that it's for you to help get a voice AI agent set up and might ask you some of the questions. What do you want to call? What do you want to name it? What do you want to do for the calendar? Any of the other advanced options that you may have, stuff like that. So anyway, I'm sure it's going to get better, but thanks so much for watching. If you're looking to sign up for HighLevel and you're looking to have me as your affiliate to do the coaching to help you and to have all of my bonuses, a ton of stuff that I have. Don't even want to go over all of it right now, but there's a 30-day free trial in the video description. Sign up, at least take a look at my free course if you're unsure how to set up and start your own AI agency. It's pretty cool. You can watch in less than an hour to see if that would be a good opportunity for you. So thanks so much for hanging in with me and have a great day. Bye-bye.